In this session, we will discuss the basics of mRNA technology, its potential applications and its impact on modern medicine. Now first let's see, what is mRNA technology? mRNA or messenger RNA technology is a cutting-edge technology that uses genetic material to create vaccines and therapies. Unlike traditional vaccines, mRNA vaccines do not contain weakened or dead viruses. Instead, they contain genetic material that codes for a particular protein. Moving towards, how does mRNA technology work? mRNA technology works by using genetic material to instruct cells to create a specific protein. In the case of vaccines, this protein is the antigen, which triggers the immune response. Once the antigen is produced, the immune system recognizes it as a foreign invader and mounts a response against it. This response helps the body to build immunity to the virus. We will now evaluate applications of mRNA technology. mRNA technology has numerous applications in medicine. In addition to vaccines, it can be used to develop therapies for cancer, genetic disorders, and other diseases. For example, mRNA can be used to create personalized cancer treatments that target specific genes. Advantages of mRNA technology. One of the main advantages of mRNA technology is its speed. Traditional vaccine development can take years, but mRNA vaccines can be developed in a matter of weeks. This is because the process does not require the time-consuming steps of growing, inactivating, and purifying viruses. mRNA vaccines are also safer than traditional vaccines because they do not contain live viruses. Overall, mRNA technology is a revolutionary approach to medicine that has the potential to transform the way we treat diseases. With its speed, safety, and versatility, it is an exciting field that holds great promise for the future of healthcare. Thank you for joining us for this session on mRNA technology.